Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Well, students, in the morning we have discussed common size balance sheet, okay? And as I have told you, we have common size statement of P&L, common size balance sheet. And this is what common size statements are what? This is one of the tools and techniques of analysis of the financial statements, all right? I hope till now you must have studied everything and you understood what is analysis of the financial statement and what are the tools and techniques, okay? So statement of P&L. Now we are going to do statement of P&L. We'll be analyzing the statement of P&L with the help of common size statement, okay? So let's take one illustration so you will understand better. We'll take illustration number 14, but before that have a look on its format. Page number 3.20. Yes, please, those who are staying at home, just open page number 3.20 and go through it properly. There are 6 columns. First one is of particulars, then note. First we take previous year as usual, then the next one is your current year, and here we common size of what? Here the revenue from operation, okay? We take revenue from operation as 100, okay? Alright, so this is 100 and this is the maximum figure which we have, and we decide the rest of the percentage of the items like certain kind of expenses which we reduce from revenue from operation, and finally you have a profit. Which profit? Profit before tax, and we pay the tax, and then we have profit after tax, okay? So how the whole system is working? Let's take one illustration. Illustration 14. Prepare common size statement of profit and loss from the following information. Well, we have here, and once again students, not necessary that you will have all the contents of this statement of P&L. They may give you all that and they may give you a few one. So here you can see revenue from operation they have given, other income they have given, purchases of stock in trade they have given, and changes in inventory, stock in trade, other expenses, and rate of income tax they have given, alright? So the format, how many columns? 6 columns. The first one we have particulars, note number, then we have previous year, and then we have current year, and here we have a percentage of previous year and current year's percentage is there, okay? Now the first item, what I have told you students, revenue from operation, we take it as a common base and that's 100. So it's given, first we take of the previous year. Have a look in the question, which year is given first? Which year is given first? Let me know. We have a current year first, 2020, and then we have 2019. So 19 is the previous year. So how much revenue from operation? That is 7,50,000. Okay. And then we have current year's revenue from operation. How much is given? Everyone? Okay. Now what to do? Here also we can do the same thing. We can solve it first and then we can take the percentage, right? And otherwise also you can see. Here the 7,50,000. Okay. So I have taken its base as common base. I have taken 100. This one previous years, and this is of current year's percentage. So here it's 10 lakh is equal to 100. Now we can copy it down. Once again, students, just remember, in balance sheet it's easy to copy down, but while preparing the statement of P&L, you have to be very conscious and careful, okay, because we have to do the total and we have to reduce something, and this thing is not available in balance sheet, okay. Now we have other income. If you have other income, so that is added in revenue from operation. So you can solve it first. Here it is given 75,000 of the previous year and 1 lakh is of the current year. Okay. Then this is what? Yes, what do we call it? Total revenue. We do the total. 8,25,000. And here it comes 11 lakh. Fine. Then next we have expenses, and expenses they have given purchases of stock in trade. Well, you can see that in your statement they didn't mention it separately. So you should have a knowledge. You never know that what kind of question they are going to give you. They can give you the proper format, even they can draw everything, they can solve it for you. Okay, and they can give you the raw information where you have to work. All right. So purchase of stock in trade they have given, but they didn't mention the name. What is this? So we should be knowing ourselves that this is the place of expenses. Okay, and in expenses, all right. One more point I have told you. When we complete the income side, what to do? क्या करना है हमें? Yes, we have to draw the line. So don't forget to draw the line. It's always beneficial, okay? We will do. First, let us solve this, so this will be easy for you. And we have the expenses now, purchase of stock in trade. I'm talking about the previous year first, so we have 6 lakh. Purchases, previous year, this is 6 lakh, and current year, it's 7 lakh 50,000. Okay. Now we have the next one, change in inventories of stock in trade. Change in inventory of stock in trade, what is given? Previous year, this is 10,000, and the current year, this is 50,000, that's given in the minus. Alright. Now next we have other expenses. See, I have told you the places where we can commit mistake. I mean, each and every item we are carrying from the question. Okay, and I have to be careful at all the timings that first I have to take the previous year, then current year. But if your attention diverts, so in any of the figure, I can take the wrong one, right? So you have to be careful regarding that. So other expenses, the previous year's expenses is 7,500 and current year's expenses are 10,000. Is that okay? Yes, clear? Now what to do? Now rate of income tax is given 50% in all the cases. So what we were talking? Well, income tax is given 50% in both the years, previous year and the current year, alright? Now here you can see, students, that was the reason I have told you to draw a line. Here you can see that we have more than one item. So what we have to do? We have to do the total first, total expenses, okay? So what comes? This is 6,17,500, and here, just remember students, here we have to reduce this one. Dhyan rakhenge, this is in bracket, that means this is of minus, and we will be reducing that. So this is your 7,10,000. Okay. So what is the next step? We will draw the line. Have you understood the reason why to draw the line? Okay. If I don't draw the line, some students they have a habit like, so they add this also in that. पहले तो ऐड कर लेंगे फिर इसमें से माइनस करेंगे, तो दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. ओके, सो दिस इज योर टोटल रेवेन्यू एंड दिस इज योर total expenses. If you reduce the total expenses from the revenue, that comes your income. Which income? Income before tax. Okay, so 8,25,000, right, minus 6,17,500. so this comes your profit before tax. Okay, so this comes 2,07,500, and in the current year this comes 3,90,000. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Sachin, are you getting how we are doing? Hasim, समझ आ रहा है बेटा? So this is the profit before tax. Now the tax rate is given 50%, means पूरे का पूरा half आप टैक्स के लिए दे देंगे. So this is your income tax, 50%, just half of this, do that. This comes 1,03,750, and here this comes 1,95,000. Okay, now you have profit after tax. What comes? The same which you have here, because half you have given as a tax and half will remain with you. Understood that? Yes, last. Is that clear what we have done? Okay, so this is the simple solution which we have done. Now we have to convert it in common size. Common size क्या ले लिया हमने? Common figure क्या ली है? 100 for what we have taken? We have taken it for revenue from operation. This is very important. Sometimes the students who are not aware, who doesn't understand the things in the class, and they get confused कि हमें किसको लेना है 100. So remember, in balance sheet either assets or liability will be equal to 100, then we find out the percentage, and in statement of P&L we take in revenue from operation is equal to 100. Okay, now the first point is of your income, other income. So here this figure is equal to 100. Now what's this 75,000, which percentage it is containing of this, or you can say of this. Okay, so the same method is there. 7,50,000 में से आपका ये फिगर है, अदर इनकम है 75,000, 1 में से हो जाएगा 7,50,000, तो 100 में से कितना होगा? That comes 10%. Is that clear? It's 10%. So there is no change in the mechanism in the morning, whatever we have done. The thing is that format was of statement of P&L, and here this that was of balance sheet, and this is of statement of P&L. Method of calculating the percentage is absolutely same. So here you will be calculating, this is 10 lakh and 1 lakh. Right? So this is also quite visible, 10%. Okay. Here you can do the total, and otherwise also if you check, you will find the same one. Students, while doing the comparative statements, I have told you don't do the total like this of the percentage. वहाँ मना किया था ना, परसेंटेज अलग से निकालनी, बट यहाँ पे हम कर सकते हैं टोटल. क्यों कर सकते हैं? क्योंकि दिस इज गोइंग इन द सेम फॉर्मेट. आप इसके अकॉर्डिंग करेंगे तो ये जैसे जैसे कैलकुलेट हो रहा है, एंड इन द सेम वे यू हैव डन द percentage, so that will be same. So here you can verify the thing. Are you getting the difference? Next we have 6 lakh. So what percentage it is having? So this 8,25,000, that has become 110%. And which percentage this 6 lakh is containing? So 6 lakh divided by 7,50,000 into 100. What comes? This is 80%. Understood how to do?
Yes.
Well, next we have This is 75%. And in the same way we calculate all these percentages. Here we have 1.33 and this goes in the negative. This is 5%. You have to keep the negative sign here also. Stop talking. Here also we have to show the negative sign of the percentage, and here it is 1%. And now do the total, because these are the expenses: 80, 81, 82.33. all right, and here it is 76 minus 5, so this is 71. all right, and then we find out this also, the percentage of this. You will be calculating the percentage in the math the way I have told you, okay, and then you can plus and minus, so that system will be same accordingly. So ये वाला बेस माना है हमने, रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन, दिस इज द रूल, इसको बेस माना है. This 7,50,000 is equal to that, and that is the reason when we add some extra income in that, so that becomes more than 100. Fine. So this is your total income, revenue income, other income. This is total income and these are total expenses. I reduce that. ये वाला अब मैं इसमें से माइनस करूँगी, 110 में से ये वाला माइनस करेंगे. So that comes here and you just verify. आप इस तरह से कैलकुलेट करेंगे और उसको करके देखेंगे तो वो आपका बराबर आएगा. ठीक है. So that comes 27.67 and here it comes 39%. Okay. Now 50% of the tax you are paying, reduce 50% of this. This comes 13.83 and this is 19.50. all right. So this was your profit before tax, 50% tax you have paid, and this is your profit after tax. All right, students. So have you understood something? What is this?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't you think that it's a simplified way of all these statements? If we talk about these two things, these are the previous year's data and these are current year's data. And if I talk in the percentage way, so this becomes a little bit easy to understand, easy to explain, easy to remember, easy to analyze. All right. So these are the reasons that we prepare these kind of statements for the comparison also and for controlling the things also. Okay. So what? ये वाला नहीं आया. How to calculate the percentage? I tell you, no problem. Which point you didn't understand? Any particular point or in common you didn't understand? All right. See. Is this clear? 7,50,000 is your revenue from operation. Yes, rest of you, if you didn't understand, pay attention. And this is of the previous, this is of the current year. So what I do, कि आपके जो भी टोटल मार्क्स हैं, जैसे आपके टोटल मार्क्स मान लीजिए 5 सब्जेक्ट्स हैं आपके, तो 500 को मैंने क्या मान लिया, 100 मान लिया मैक्सिमम. ठीक है. अब जितने भी आपके आते हैं, मान लीजिए आपके आए 450, तो आपके मुझे ये निकालना है कि अब 100 में से कितने आए. 500 में से तो 450 आ गए, ये क्लियर है. हेलो एवरीवन. ओके. बट अब जो मैंने 500 को 100 के नाम से अलॉट किया, आर यू गेटिंग? 500 को मैंने क्या मान लिया, 100 के बराबर. तो अब मुझे बताएं कि 100 में से कितने आए आपके, कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है एवरीवन? सी, 500 is the total marks, all right, and you have secured 450 out of 500. Okay. Now isn't it very difficult to understand? Although मेरे अकेले के हैं तो मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट मुझे कंपेयर करने पूरी इंडिया के, पूरी क्लास के एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, राइट? सो वन इजी वे शुड बी देयर वेयर द माइन्यूट डिफरेंस कैन बी आइडेंटिफाइड. ओके. इन्होंने कहा मेरे 467 है, उन्होंने कहा 499 है, उन्होंने कहा मेरे 430 है. व्हाट इज दिस मैथ्स? एक इजी मेथड कौन सा हो सकता है? एक कॉमन साइज हमने किया, क्या किया, 500 को मैंने 100 मान लिया, क्योंकि यहाँ बहुत सारी फिगर्स हो जाती हैं. ठीक है, तो मैंने 500 को 100 मान लिया, जिनको नहीं आया उनके लिए है, जो घर पे बैठे हैं वो भी ध्यान से सुन लें। 500 को मैंने 100 मान लिया, तो 500 में से तो 450 दे ही रखा है। अब 100 में से कितने आए, इसी को आप परसेंटेज निकालना कहते हैं, और यही चीज़ हम यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं। तो आप कैसे अप्लाई करते हैं, देखो 500 में से आए हैं 450, तो 1 में से आए हैं डिवाइडेड बाय 500, तो 100 में से कितने आए हैं, दिस वे वी डू, यस वी डू, तो आपके बनते हैं 90%। तो ये 90% किस में से हैं, 100 में से हैं। सो इन द सेम वे दिस इज द मैक्सिमम वन, हमने जिस चीज़ को बेस माना है 7,50,000 को मैंने किसके बराबर मान लिया, अब यहाँ पे ये फिगर्स रख देते हैं, 7,50,000 को मैंने 100 के बराबर रख लिया, लविश एंड रेस्ट ऑफ यू ओके को ही लिखते हैं, ठीक है। एंड यहाँ पे वो कहता है कि 7,50,000 मार्क्स में से मेरे तो 75,000 मार्क्स आए हैं, तो 100 में से कितने मार्क्स आए हैं, ठीक है। द सेम थिंग 7,50,000 में से आए हैं आपके 75,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 7,50,000 इंटू 100, ओके, सो दैट कम्स 10% only. Understood that? Very simple, okay. So always try to understand the logic, then the things will be very simple, ठीक। So which important points are there of this chapter, students? Before I wind up, let us rewind these points. What are the important points of this chapter which you have to keep in your mind while doing the questions? The first one, we have to take care of the format, okay, and in the format जो कंपनीज है 2013 में दे रखा है, बैलेंस शीट एंड स्टेटमेंट ऑफ P&L, व्हाट टू डू, वहाँ पे क्या फॉर्मेट है हमारा, पहले क्या लेते हैं, करेंट ईयर, देन कम्स द प्रीवियस ईयर, ओके। एंड इन दीज क्वेश्चंस कंपैरेटिव एंड कॉमन साइज स्टेटमेंट, स्पेशली इन दिस चैप्टर, व्हाट टू डू, what we are doing, we take previous year first and then we take the current year, all right. Then another important point, calculation should be accurate and we have to be alert all the time, means once we are alert we are taking the right things, but later on we can commit mistake, okay. So you have to be very careful, and especially in statement of P&L, after total income you have to draw the line, after total expenses you have to draw the line, and then we have to reduce all the total expenses from the total income, okay. So that will be accurate. And in comparative statement, what to do, don't total the percentage column vertically, no, that should be total horizontally, you have to find out, do you remember that? But in common size statement we can do the total, in fact you should calculate the things horizontally, but for verification you can do the total vertically. If it is accurate, both the things are matching, that means there is no arithmetical mistakes, okay. So keep all these points in your mind while doing the question. And students, 4-mark question, 100% this comes in your exam. And another problem which you people have, you became overconfident because this is very easy and everything is readily available in the question. So you people don't pay attention on this chapter, you don't do much questions for practice, and if they change one figure, one item here and there, so you get confused and you lose your 4 marks even after putting some time and efforts. So be particular about it, don't underestimate the thing, although it is easy, okay. So complete this chapter, all the things we have done. So we have very less number of illustration, total 19 illustrations are there. And how many back questions?
22.
No, it is 28 back questions are there. And I suggest you students some evaluation questions, some extra questions they give in the book, so you must try those also. If you do that, good practice will be there, okay. So complete the question. Thank you.